Hey learners, do you want to improve your daily English conversation? Today, I'm going to show you some real-life sentences that will change the way you speak. Let's start.
Hey, Alex, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, Mom. What happened?
I feel like we haven't spent much time together lately. You're always busy with school and your phone.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't realize it. I guess I got too busy with assignments.
I understand, but family time is important too. We should talk, share, and spend time together.
You're right. I miss our evening walks and family dinners.
Me too. Your dad and sister also feel the same. We all want to reconnect.
Okay, Mom. From today, I'll try to limit my phone time and spend more time with you all.
That makes me really happy. How about we have dinner together tonight?
That sounds perfect. And maybe a movie afterward?
Wonderful idea. See, this is what family is about. Love, time, and understanding.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Alex.
Thanks for watching.